Alright, today I'm going to be making a Highland cow letter opener. So I've done a video before making a Highland cow's head, however that was out of 12mm round bar. Today we're going to be using 8mm round bar and then make it into a letter opener. I should mention my furry lip, which you can probably see on the film at the moment. That's because I'm doing Movember. More details about that at the end of the video. Let's get straight into making this letter opener. Go on the near edge and make an isolation or a step down for the horns of the cow. So I'll let this to cool down so that we can then cut it with an angle grinder down there, splitting the horns so we get a really clean cut rather than doing it hot. Whilst it is cooling down, we can work on the little piece of hair that goes in between that then comes over the face. So for forging the hair, I need to forge out a piece of bar which we can then make the hair out of, as we use a piece of 8mm by 2mm steel for the hair. So I'm going to forge it out of some 8mm bar. I'll do that coming on the near edge, just forge down that little section of bar and then forge the hair out of that. That's the hair finished and ready to be slid into the back of our head so it can then be bent over the face. So we can work on that other piece now, get it cut, and then the horns forged out. So let's bring the horns together so we don't burn them off, and then we're ready to make the first bend on the face. If we do it in the vise, get it clamped, bent around. So if we begin to close this up, now get our little piece of hair. Slide that in the back. The next step is to weld this. So I weld the sides shut or flush with a stick welder rather than forge welding it, as if we try to forge weld it, we'll have to, flatten these sides down and we won't really get rid of those seams. They'll still be visible. And obviously we want it to look like a solid piece of metal. So to do that, we go over, just skim the sides with a welder and then forge weld it to make sure it's solid, and then we can continue forging on the rest of the face. The sides are welded, time to bring it up to a nice high temperature and forge the face out. Time for the second bend. Okay, gotta get all the facial features on the head. Go with the nostrils first. And the mouth. And then if we mark the eyes in as well. Take another heat. If we separate the horns for later, once we've got the heat there, come back and cut the mouth deeper. And then cut the horns. So it's time to bend the horns out the way so we can get that little piece of hair over the top of the face. So I'll take a heat so we can wrap that round. Carefully bring the hair around. So we bend the horns up so we get the points coming out. So the final thing is dotting the pupils. There we go, that's the head all forged out. So we can work on the rest of the letter opener now. So just before the head, or just after the head, create 4 flats, which we then cut 4 lines on, and then twist. This sort of creates a nice effect. As the edges here, the 4 corners are still rounded, so the twist has a really nice effect. I think this is called a rope twist, or at least that's what I'm calling it, that's what I would call it. Punched off the head, so we don't twist it, you know, on the actual head, so we get the twist going where we want it. And get twisting. I'll cut it off the bar. We can now begin to forge out the blade on the letter opener. So I just do a point to get the preform, which is on the diagonal to the face, and then we flatten that. So to finish this, I've just dunked the head in some oil, which I'm then smearing over the piece, and obviously it's hot, you can tell by it steaming there, which is what we want. We want it to be steaming so we know that the finish, the oil is really getting a good sealing on the piece and creating this nice dark finish. And I dip the head in oil so we get in all of the nooks of the head and the facial features, like inside the mouth, where we wouldn't necessarily be able to get with the rag. Thank you for watching the video. There you can see the finished Highland cow letter opener. I hope you like it. These guys, it's always a bit fiddly trying to do these out of 8mm, you know, because everything is so small. The hair and the horns, they're pretty easy to burn off if you're not careful in the fire. You know, you can easily melt them. As I said at the start of the video, I'm doing Movember, so I'm raising money for men's health. So please, I'll leave a link in the description below, and if you have any spare money, please donate to that. All of the money is going to men's health to help men who are in need of it. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.